Hey everyone, I'm Drex, and this is the 2.5 minute drill. We do at least three security stories at least twice a week, all part of one great community, the 229 Cyber and Risk community. Here's some stuff you might want to know about. We're from the government and we're here to help department. Senators from both sides of the aisle have introduced the Strengthening Cybersecurity and Healthcare Act, which mostly calls for HHS to do regular and consistent evaluations of healthcare cybersecurity and report the results to Congress. Helpful? I'm unsure. Point being, if you're in healthcare, one way or another, the government's going to be asking a lot more questions. Be prepared. HHS did just levy a $4.75 million fine on a New York City hospital for potential HIPAA violations tied to employee theft of patient protected health information. The employee then reportedly sold the information as part of an identity theft ring. So I know we talk a lot about external adversary threats, but make sure you regularly revisit the internal threat challenges that all of our organizations face. Do you know where all your PHI is? Are you sure your staff's trained on what they're supposed to be doing and not just going through the motions? Tomorrow's Valentine's Day, and while the romantic in us will be thinking about sweets for our sweetness, cyber thugs are thinking about how to steal your W-2s and sell them on the dark web for identity theft or using them to claim your tax refund before you get around to it. The article I attach here talks about things you and your company can do to help protect yourself from W-2 scams, which are up more than 130% over the past few months. This might be one of those things that's worth sharing to your finance and HR teams. I drop all the stories I talk about here in the 2.5 minute drill and a whole lot more at thisweekhealth.com/news. Please like and share this post and then tag folks you think should become regular listeners. I try to make this a mostly English, mostly non-technical update. That means it's okay to share it with everyone in your health system. You want to know more about what I'm working on? Check out the new 229 Cyber and Risk community at thisweekhealth.com/security. I can tell you too, we just finished an amazing 229 event in Del Mar with 21 great CISOs and partners, building relationships and working on hard problems. I've been doing this for 30 years, and I can say without hesitation, it's one of the best in-person events I've ever been a part of. So if you're interested in helping to lead one of the 229 events, you want to know about more about city tours, you want to know more about the summits, reach out to me at drex@thisweekhealth.com and stay a little paranoid. I'll see you around campus.